Guys, I have an incredible announcement, especially if you're looking to break free from your 9 to 5 grind. I want to introduce you to Airbnb Skool, the community that will help you get your first short-term rental property in just 30 days. No property, no experience, no money required to get started. So whether you're new to short-term rentals or you just want to add an extra stream of income, Airbnb Skool is designed for people like you who want to take control of their lives and start a profitable short-term rental business. So here's what you're going to get inside of our free community. You're going to get access to the Airbnb Skool Masterclass, 100% free. This is the exact system I use to scale my own short-term rental business to $45,000 per month and beyond, all while working less than 10 hours a week. Next, you're going to get access to live weekly Get Your First Listing group calls with me. So you're going to be able to get on calls where we walk you through how to list your first property on Airbnb step by step. You'll have direct access to expert advice. You're also going to get access to pre-built resources, checklists, and everything that you need to hit the ground running. So templates, resources, and a blueprint to make sure that you succeed. And finally, you're going to get access to 24/7 community support. You'll be able to join a thriving community of like-minded individuals who are on the same journey. You won't be alone as you walk towards financial freedom. And remember, this is free right now, but it won't be forever. Once we hit capacity, access to this community will be limited, so do not miss out. So click the link in the description to pre-register today and get started on the fast track to Airbnb success.